Okay, ready to start. Okay, I'll count this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 30. I'm set. Now, there's a trick I learned in instructions online, and that says to stretch the spring a 1/4 inch to the right or to the left on the other side. So I'll take a marker and mark about a 1/4 inch. Then use the hammer to hammer it over and then tighten the set screws. The additional 1/4 inch will give a little space between the springs, and so when the garage door is all the way down, there won't be any binding. So, got to do 3 things at once. Use your wrench for the set screw, the bar, and a hammer. You have to lift the bar and then bind the bar by pulling it to the left toward the center. That means that way when you hit with the hammer right here to move the spring the 1/4 inch to the right, by binding it, as you hit, the cone won't slide back to the left. So once I have it over to the mark, which will take about 3 or 4 hits, according to what I did on the other side, you have to maintain that bind, that pull of the bar to the left, until you get the set screw tight. So I want to make sure my set screws are at least close in. Pull the bar up, and then I force it to the left. And then tighten the set screw. After it touches the metal, another 1/2 turn should do the trick. And same with the other set screw. I'm maintaining the binding on the bar here until they're both set. Okay. Now I'm safe, right? Test it out. I'll push up a little bit so I can release the bottom bar. And the garage door goes up. It looks like I have a little too much tension because it's going up on its own. So I'll have to back off 1/4 turn and test again. All done. I had to back off from 7 3/4 turns to 7 1/4, so I had to back off a 1/2 turn on both sides to get it where I want. What you want is when you lift up the garage door to the halfway, 1/4 way, 3/4 way, when you let go, it should just stay put. Shouldn't go up, shouldn't go down. So, perfect. to re-engage the garage door opener, plug it back in, and we're set. Well, the project was complete. It took me about 4 hours to do the installation. It's basically a one-man job. I did realize that after trying out a few up and downs with the garage door opener that it had a tendency to go up on its own, so I backed off the tension about 1/4 turn on both springs. That solved that particular issue. If you do this project on your own, please be careful and remember that this is a dangerous procedure because of the tension on those springs. Please visit the website and see the resources at the close of this video, some URLs of sites that helped me figure out exactly how to do this project. I'm no expert, I'm just a regular old person doing do-it-yourself projects at home. So good luck on your project. Thank you for watching.